Want to control how Gemini uses your contact information? Here's how to enable or disable it. First, open the Gemini app on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap Settings. Scroll down again, then tap Contact Info from your device. You'll see the option, Save Contact Info from your signed-in devices. To enable it, tap the toggle until it turns on. To disable it, tap it again until it turns off. You can switch this anytime, based on your preference. This is useful when using voice commands, like saying, "Hey Google, call John," so Gemini can recognize your contacts more easily. If you prefer more privacy, you can keep this turned off. And that's how to enable or disable contact info from your device in Gemini on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra.